If you could sell more high-ticket wellness plans, how would that benefit your business? Welcome to Marketing in 60 Seconds. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to convert a low-priced adjustment into a high-ticket $1,500 wellness plan by leveraging the value ladder. The value ladder is an essential component of any local business. Get a new patient to walk into your clinic with an irresistible offer. Let's say we offer a low-priced adjustment using Facebook advertising. Once your new patient arrives in your clinic, educate them, give them lots of value on your services, learn about their needs and their pain points. Maybe they need a pain consultation or cryotherapy. Remember, we're not selling to them, we're offering solutions to their problems. That is how they will climb your value ladder. Start them off with a low-priced adjustment, and then they'll climb your value ladder as you offer more solutions to their problems, eventually getting to your wellness program, a high-ticket item. What ways are you getting your patients to climb your value ladder? Comment below. And that was Marketing in 60 Seconds.